guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's Janet Mawe. Okay, please make sure you subscribe, like, comment and share, and may the Lord bless you so much. Today it is another day. Now I want to show you what I have. You can see, yeah, I have a lot of clothes za wanawake, ndo hizo. As you can see, hizo ni za wanawake. Yeah. Trousers za wanaume mnaziona behind me. Yeah. You can see behind me. Yes. And up I have shirti za wanaume. As you can see. Yeah. Please come and shop. Yeah. I have many types of trousers za wanaume. Kuna kama hizi jeans, kuna kakis ni hizi hapa. Aya za wanawake nazo mnaziona, but shippers. Yeah. You can see this one. This is a big body shaper also. Hii nayo ni jeans za wanawake. Yeah. Hapa juu kuna shati za wanaume. As you can see. Yup. Unaona? Yeah. The fashion, every fashion of clothes I have. Yes. Come and shop. Yeah. Kakis naziona huku, jeans za wanaume. This side ni wanawake and another side ni wanaume. Yeah. Come. Ask questions or you don't understand, please, and I'll answer you guys. Yes, unaona? Yeah. Come and shop. Come. And may the Lord bless you so much. Let us meet in the next video. I will give you updates. Please, guys, support me. I'm here. Pipeline. Stage mpya. Come and shop. Yep. And I will be happy. Yeah.